In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your task descriptions in Jira using Atlassian Intelligence AI. Are you ready to boost the clarity and effectiveness of your task descriptions with just a few clicks? Let's dive into the process and explore how this AI tool can simplify and improve your project management experience. To begin, open your Jira project and locate the task whose description you want to enhance. Once you've identified the task, go ahead and click on it to open its details. You'll see an area labeled Description. Click on this field to edit the existing text. As you enter the editing mode, direct your attention to the top right corner of the editing field. Here, you'll notice a distinctive crosshair icon. This is your gateway to leveraging Atlassian's AI capabilities. Click on the crosshair icon to initiate the AI enhancement feature. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can either manually input a prompt detailing how you wish to improve the description, or take advantage of the AI-driven suggestions offered. The AI is designed to provide examples of how you can make your text clearer, more concise, or more engaging, depending on what fits your needs. Once you've either entered your custom prompt or chosen one of the AI's tailored suggestions, the AI will get to work on generating an improved version of your task description. This process is usually quick, so you won't be kept waiting. Once the AI has crafted the enhanced text, you will see the option to insert the newly generated content. Simply click on Insert, and the AI-powered version of your description will replace the existing text or be inserted where you've chosen to place it. It's that simple. With just a few clicks, you've harnessed the power of AI to make your task description more effective, ensuring better understanding and communication within your project team. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can regularly refine and optimize your task descriptions, making them more informative and actionable. This improvement not only enhances your project's clarity, but also contributes to better team collaboration and efficiency. So, give it a go and see how this smart feature can enhance your productivity in Jira. We hope you find this tool as helpful as we do in simplifying and elevating your workflow. Remember, clear and effective task descriptions are key to successful project management. Keep practicing and experimenting with different prompts or AI suggestions to develop descriptions that best suit your needs. Happy optimizing, and we'll see you in the next video.